The Active Stability Control ASC system in Mitsubishi vehicles is designed to keep your car stable during sharp turns, slippery roads, or sudden maneuvers. It works by combining traction control, ABS, brake assist, and electronic brake distribution into one coordinated safety system. When you see ASC system service required, it means the system has detected a fault and may limit stability assistance. While it can be something simple like low voltage, it can also involve critical brake or sensor components, so it shouldn't be ignored. Important steps: 1. Check battery voltage, it should read at least 12, and 4V with the engine off. 2. Inspect wheel speed sensor wiring near each wheel for damage or corrosion. 3. Make sure all tires have equal pressure and no loose wheel bearings. 4. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner that supports ABS codes. 5. Address any stored codes, wheel sensor, steering angle sensor, or ABS module faults.